Guru here coming to y'all live from Las Vegas. Real quick, man, I got a fine mechanic tip that I want to give you guys today. Y'all gonna love me later. Y'all gonna thank me later. Check it out. All right, so what I'm doing right now is wiring up the fan relays, but a lot of people use crimps and a lot of people solder. This is what I got for you guys today. Here's the part number. You guys can feel free to stop the video and freeze it. This is the company. What these are right here are self-soldering shrink connectors. I don't know. Please leave it in the comments what you guys think. I do think it's kind of expensive, but I think it is worth the money. This is what you're going to get here. It costs about 15 bucks or 12 bucks or something like that. You get 120 pieces, which is, I don't know, it might be fair, but I mean, it works. So this is what you guys are going to do. This is the time where I wish I had a helper or a tripod. Every time I get them, they break. So anywho, what you're going to need is some type of wire, 10 gauge, whatever gauge you're going to be using. You're going to need well, in my case, you're going to need wire. You're going to have your self-shrink connectors. I left my torch at home, so I had borrowed a lighter real quick. It's a cool little lighter. I bet you there's a few of y'all aliens up there, you know what I mean? All right, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to set it up for you guys real quick because, focus phone. I'm going to set it up for you guys real quick. You just take this little piece here, and you're going to separate it like this. It's going to be so hard doing this with one hand. Let me set this up and I'll give it to you guys. Give me a quick second. Okay, so I got the first part started here. You're going to take this little piece and slide it right over. There you go, Mike. And then you're going to take your other. This is a one-shot thing, man. Make sure you do it right the first time. Make sure your wire is A1. You're going to take this wire here and kind of splice it into each other like you're going to do. Basically set it up for like you're going to solder regularly. So let me do that. All right, so I was going to do how to install fan relays, but I'm not going to do that. I just don't have time right now. I got to get this done. This wire here is from the harness that I sell. Yes, this is from the harness. This is one of the fan wires, and that's the second one right there that got twisted together. So you're going to take these and twist these together. So does this part right here look familiar to anyone? This is where you basically will begin putting your solder on and start soldering. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to slide this little piece over just like that. And you guys see the solder in the middle? We're going to put fire to that. Like I said, I left my my torch at home, so I'm going to be using this lighter, which is going to take a lot longer. This is how I am doing it. If you do this and you mess up your car, that's on you. I'm just showing y'all, all right? I thought this was pretty cool, and I've been using it for a while now. I think it works great. So these ends here are going to basically keep out any moisture and all that good jazz. This part right here is the most important part. It's going to leave a nice, super A1 solder. So just put some heat to it like these. You already see it starting to shrink up or whatever. And don't touch it because it's going to be hella hot. See how the ends is closing and all that jazz? I hope y'all can see this. I'm trying to look at it so I won't burn my hand with this stupid thing. So if you look closely, I'm going to do another one of these videos too. If you look closely, you have a nice solder there in the middle. Super nice. And then on this side, you can see it's already kind of shrinking. So just put a little bit more fire to it. And it's gonna close those things right up. You see that, Mike? You see that? Let me blow that out. Let me make my wish real quick. I'm gonna blow it out. Cause it's not gonna close, it's gonna just eat the damn plastic up. And then that's pretty much it, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the self-soldering connectors, man. I love these things. They're self-solder string connectors. It's not going to pull apart, man. You can try pulling it apart as hard as you want. They're not going to come apart. And if you think they're ugly, I mean, put some wire loom over it, or put some black electrical tape over it. There's some black electrical tape right there. I got some. You can borrow it if you need it. Let me know. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some wire loom over it. Now I'm going to tape the wire loom. Fine mechanic, you know. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please do me a favor. If this video helped you out, y'all see me? It look hazy. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like. Leave a comment. Let me know, hey, that's expensive, but it's worth the money, or nah, I'm not buying it. I'm going to stick to crimping. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I appreciate all y'all. I'm pushing as many videos out as I can at this moment. And I got an announcement for y'all to make. That's why I had y'all doing that video check and that audio check, because yeah, the announcement is good. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. Oh, and real quick before I go, the video where I talk about how much money I've made as a I guess part-time YouTuber, that video is coming up. I'm gonna try to make it today and push it out by Monday. I'm not gonna say how much I made the whole time I've been doing YouTube, because it's kind of like I've been doing it on and off. But I'll tell you my biggest check, and I'm also gonna tell you guys how much I made this month. So stay tuned for that and get your paper, cuz. For those of y'all that stuck around, guess what? Y'all get to see the ending of this. So check it out. It's not done, but y'all gonna see. So this is another one that I did. When you heating it up, make sure you spin it around, and that looks super good, man. I'm gonna show you guys the ending progress. Give me a second. So what I have here is this 2 wires that's going to the fan hot. These 2 wires here is going to the computer. These are going to be ground wires. The computer is going to send ground, and it's going to allow the fans to kick on and off once they get to the temperature that I have it programmed to by HB tuners. And then power, constant power and ignition. I'm going to get these done real quick, get them all soldered up with these nice self-soldering shrink connectors, and then I'll show you the loom. Alright, so I don't know why, I'm in a good mood, so show you a little trick. You see how this is old wire loom? That's just black electrical tape. So you just tape it around, go around 1 time, and watch how it looks when it's done. Looky here, looky here, looky here. So if y'all look at it, look like it ain't hard. It's still swinging, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is pretty much how you can do that. Yeah, y'all go, well, go buy some new wire loom. It's cheap. Honestly, ain't nobody around here selling wire loom besides Vato, and they hidden. So this is gonna go right here in the corner, and the fans is gonna come straight over here. So I just gotta finish wiring up the fans and get this thing up out of here. I don't know why it's so much freaking. I painted these fenders and stuff, and look at the intake. It's just so much. It's dirty as hell here. So I'm about to degrease it one more time while the car is, the car is cool. So degrease it while it's all cool and stuff, and get it cleaned up and get it ready to go. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Again, I appreciate you guys staying to the end and watching this video. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you're watching this video, you should already liked it, but if you haven't, please do so. It helps me out a lot. And real quick before I go, I got my boy Tarzan in the back with me. I'm about to hit 10K subscribers. I never did the 7,000 subscribers giveaway. So what I'm going to do is, I was waiting for people to send me some stuff. My boy Mike from Stitching Co., he sent me some stuff. So in the next video I do, when I talk about how much money I've made with YouTube, I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that's going to be given away. And yeah, I'm still trying to find out how I'm going to do the giveaway. But Mike, good looking out. I'm gonna tag him below so y'all can check out his channel. No, so y'all can check out his product and all that stuff. So Y'all gonna enjoy the giveaway, man. Like I said, I was waiting for other people. It didn't happen. Oh, and my boy Goose gonna he gonna send me some t-shirts and stuff for the winners. That's the shirt that says Pro Tour with the Chevelle on there. He's gonna be a part of the giveaway as well. So y'all stay tuned. Right.
It's Dr. Rue, what it do? Aye. 81 Cutlass. LS swap. What's happening, aliens? Aye. Stay tuned.